In the bicentenario of its existence, Chile set the goal of strengthening its environmental institutionality in order to trend towards sustainable development for the country. In 2012, with the publication of the 20,600 Act, the environmental courts were born. Independent specialized bodies and of mixed composition, created to meet and resolve disputes that are brought to them by natural or legal persons who claim that legal provisions have been violated through environmental acts of the state and have suffered damages or harm in environmental matters. Composition. The Environmental Court is made up of 5 judges. 3 of them are holders and 2 are alternates. They are of mixed composition. That is to say that in their ranks, they have 3 lawyers and 2 judges from the fields of science. In the same way, our court has personnel from the most diverse areas of science, being able to incorporate a comprehensive look at the moment of issuing decisions, generating with more certainty and confidence that their decisions are harmonious with sustainable development. The 20,600 Act established the installation of 3 environmental courts in the country to serve the northern, central, and southern macrozones. The second environmental court, based in Santiago, has jurisdiction over the regions of Valparaiso, Metropolitana, O'Higgins, and Maule. The Environmental Court exercises jurisdictional control over the acts of the state in environmental matters through analysis and resolution of claims of illegality of the administration and claims of reparations for environmental damage. They also authorize some sanctions and provisional measures that the Superintendency of the Environment establishes for the audited projects. The second environmental court is a fundamental piece of Chile's environmental institution, also made up of the Ministry of the Environment, the Environmental Assessment Service, and the Superintendency of the Environment. Although not part of the judicial power, it is subject to the directive, correctional, and economic superintendence of the Supreme Court. The second environmental court has positioned itself as a fundamental pillar regulating access to environmental justice in Chile, allowing to resolve legal disputes and review the acts of state administration in environmental matters with the utmost rigor, independence, and transparency.